Hey Millie.
Hi.
So I've just started up a meeting and I'm just recording it because we were having a chat about something really good that I've seen in Teams that I wanted to show you. I'm going to start by showing you the captions here in the meeting.
Okay.
Captions aren't new, but look, I go to the More button and I go down to turn on live captions just there. And how amazing is
Wow.
that?
That's really cool.
It's literally transcribing as we speak.
I mean, how quick is that?
It's really quick. That's your captions. And do you know you can have those captions in another language?
Wow.
So you over on the right, we've got three little dots. I go on there and I choose a language. Choose a language for me, Millie.
Oh, tough one. Let's go with, I know, Polish.
Okay, let's find Polish on the list. There it is. Now, this only affects me, but I'm sharing with you on the screen so you can see it. That is literally translating what I say as I speak into Polish.
Well, I can't read Polish, so I don't know if it's right, but that's amazing, isn't it?
Considering it's doing it as we speak, that's amazing.
It really is. I mean, how great would that be in a workshop or a meeting or
Oh, golly.
brilliant.
Well, the good thing about it is that's me doing it in my side of the meeting, but you can have a different language on in your side of the meeting. So when you go to the yes, you go to your little More buttons and do it, you put your captions on and you choose a language different to mine. So you could have a team, and there's lots of teams where they all speak different languages. Everybody could be getting it transcribed so that as the person speaks, say in English, as we're doing, they can hear it or they can watch it being said in their own language.
That's just mind-boggling, isn't it?